Hello, this is Andrea from Pesado, and today I would like to introduce you our 54mm shower screen for Breville coffee machine. This is our version 2 that we just finished in developing. We have developed this shower screen from a 3mm stainless steel plate. We have created some channels that drive the water diffusion all the way to the outer edges of the plate. We've done this to improve the performance of the coffee machine, and the reason why the performance is improving is because the way the machine is set up comes with a stock standard perforated plate of stainless steel. The way the water is flowing out of your coffee machine is just by coming out from the holes randomly wherever the pressure builds up. When you switch into our product, you will find that the water will be evenly spreaded and it will cover all the surface area of the coffee in your basket. We believe this is very important, and the reason why this is important is because when you're going to make a coffee, at the beginning of the extraction, the pressure is very low, so it will be zero for about 3 or 4 seconds. This is called the pre-infusion of your coffee. Now, in this moment, it's extremely important to actually diffuse the water evenly on top of the coffee bed because there is no pressure. If you were to just allow the water to flow randomly, what's gonna happen is some parts of the coffee bed that is in the basket will receive more water than others. Therefore, you will have an over-extraction in some area of the coffee and an under-extraction in some other areas. And guess what? This stock standard shower screen will diffuse naturally more water in the center because, as you can see, the perforation is random, but also the way the water is flowing from the center of the machine. So you will have more water naturally flowing out of the center. Well, with our shower screen, the water is driven to the edges. And guess what? The edges of your coffee are actually the majority of the surface area. So when you shower with a normal stock standard, you will miss out on the majority of the coffee during your pre-infusion. What's gonna happen in the infusion, when you use our shower screen, you will find that the coffee will be well balanced, you will have more body, and it will be less inconsistent. When you do install our shower screen, what I would suggest you doing is recalibrate your grind. You're likely going to go a little bit finer, and the reason why you're gonna do that is because by infusing better the coffee, you will see that the coffee is flowing a little quicker. So by you going finer, you will actually gain more flavor, and you will gain a richer taste of your coffee. In the same packet, you will also receive our mesh screen. We've developed this mesh screen for people that use coffee that is quite fresh. When I say fresh, I mean roasted quite freshly. This is because freshly roasted coffee tends to expand a lot in the basket. So with a mesh screen, you're actually keeping it in there, and it's actually a little bit of extra diffusion on top of your coffee. How to install this shower screen is by removing the stock standard shower screen with a 4mm Allen key. You want to make sure your coffee machine is cold. All you do, you just set your Allen key in there and you unscrew the genuine little screw out there. The shower screen will pop down, and to put our new screen in there, you want to slot this into the grooves of the groupet. So if you put it in there, you will feel the shower just locks into the groove, and then you just put your screw in there and tighten it just the same way with the 4mm Allen key. We also really recommend you to improve the basket of your coffee machine. Now, this is what the stock standard Breville comes with, which is a standard basket, and this is our basket that we produce. It's called EP. The way the basket is designed, again, is designed to infuse and extract the coffee at the full width, which is 54mm. Rather than the stock standard, they actually have a bit of a cone shape to it, so the actual extraction of the coffee will be a lot less. If you look at it, it's probably 5mm from one side, 5mm from the other side. So you're actually extracting at 44mm instead of 54mm. This is a stock standard process. You just pop the basket out of your handle and you pop the new basket into the handle. I hope you enjoy our new product, and thank you very much for watching this video.